In this video, we will show you how to change the windshield wipers on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Lift the wiper blade arm up until it's locked in the upper position. To remove the blade, lift the locking flap using a flathead screwdriver and turn it. Then slide the blade down to remove it. To avoid any accidents, place the arm delicately onto the windshield. Before doing so, place a folded piece of paper towel on the windshield to protect it. You can order the windshield wipers used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new blade. Install the adapter suited to your assembly if it is not already in place on the blade. To put the new one in place, slide the blade into place, then fold down the locking flap. Place the arm back down gently. Remove the plastic cover from the rear wiper arm. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the wiper, turn it, then apply pressure with your thumb to unclip the wiper. Take the new blade. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, sliding it onto the housing. You should hear a click as it locks into place. Place the arm back down gently. Replace the plastic cover. Operation complete.